Hi friend, this is the rate I old monk and today we are with the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. In this video we are going to do the unboxing of the device. At the back we have given that it comes with the AI quad camera. It has a 6.19-inch SD plus display which is a notch display. It has a 2 day of battery life which is having 4000 milliampere rating. And talking about the CPU, it comes with the MediaTek P22. It has a face unlock feature also at the fingerprint. At the same time, it comes with the XOS 5.0 based on Android 9.0 Pie. It is a made in India box. Talking about the box pricing, it is priced around 10,999, which is 11,000, but the actual price of the device is 9,999. It will be going on sale through Flipkart, and we are having an aqua blue color. The other two colors which are coming with the device are the mocha brown and the midnight black. So these are the three colors which is coming for the device. Here you can see it is given the same thing. It comes with the quad camera, 6.2-inch SD plus display. It has a dual rear camera setup with LED flash, fingerprint at the back, dual camera in the front with LED flash. So let the device get booted. At the same time we will see what are the box content. Here we have the cable, which is a micro USB cable. Talking about the cable, we haven't seen the size yet, but here is the charging adapter. So I will just take out the adapter and you can pause the video and check the rating of the charger. And finally we have the SIM card ejector tool. There are some paperwork including the safety guide, their user manual, and also the warranty card. This is the back cover and there is a screen guard also coming inside the box. Now talking at the back side of the device, it has a dual rear camera with LED flash. In the front it also has a dual camera LED flash configured with the 13 plus 2 megapixels on the front and back, all AI cameras. There is a fingerprint sensor at the back. It has a metallic finish Infinix later in the back. On the side you are getting the power key and the volume rocker key. On the top there is nothing. As for the slot, the SIM card slot comes with a triple slot where you are getting a 2 nano SIM card slot and one micro SD expandable slot. Coming to the bottom, there are speaker grills, noise cancellation mic, 3.5mm jack, and also micro USB charging slot. So this is what we are getting with the device. Now talking at the front size, it comes with a 6.19-inch SD plus display which is 6.2-inch approx. It has a notch. It is definitely a big notch. Has a two camera in the front with LED flash. If we go on the left, there is a kind of Google search bar or Google News kind of thing where you can find the things very easily. It has the recent apps used, phone master, there is easy gaming, temperature, and there are some games which you can check it out. Talking about the front cameras, definitely it works very good for face unlocking. I have tried in few conditions but definitely not the lowest condition. And if you see that you are in the lowest condition, the LED flash will blink. There is a search bar in the top which is actually from the browser, I guess, so you will get some news and some of the trending apps in that. Skipping that part, going to the device, it has, if you shuffle from the right to left, you will get the screenshot, the screen recording. There are few things which you can add, some apps like Chrome, selfie, subscription to the YouTube or anything like that. So these are the few things you are getting. Now talking about the device, here you get the some preloaded app which is from XOS family. It can freeze. There is a face unlock app especially given separately. It is not inside the OS, so I'm not sure, but you can uninstall or not. There are some features given in that where you need to switch on all the features to get the best performance of it, like unlock the screen, access the app, and also face fill light. Now coming to the app, we will go to the settings. The device is running on Android 9.0 Pie. Let me go through the specs once more. It comes with the octa-core processor Helio P22. It has a 6.19-inch SD plus display which is around 6.2-inch. It comes with the 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB of internal storage, and at the same time it has a camera both side 13 plus 2 camera setup. It is running on Android 9.0 Pie out of the box. It has a 4000 milliampere battery, which is definitely a huge one. Now jumping into the most highlight feature, it is the quad camera setup. It has a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera at the back, 13 plus 2 megapixel camera in the front. There is a shutter sound on which I definitely don't like, so I switch it off. There is a picture size which you can change here. As you can see, 13 megapixel is the highest one and 6 megapixel is the lowest one. And there is delay for capture. There is also custom volume keys which you can change into shutter or zoom. So when you are using the camera, you can use the volume keys in different mode. Talking about the video, It can shoot full HD video, HD video, and 480p video. Now talking about the front camera, similar for the front camera, you can shoot full HD video, HD video, and 480p video. Now talking about the modes, what you are getting is the AI camera. There is a beauty mode, there is a portrait mode. Talking about the beauty mode, there is definitely AI which you can play it around, and you want the beauty mode to expose more, you can do that. There is a portrait mode also coming to the front camera, and the AR shots. So there are some AR stickers already present. I'm just trying out few. It looks good. I haven't tried them, but still, if you want to try and play it around, it is one of the good things. Now jumping to the rear camera, we will see the modes here. You get similar modes which are AR shots. There is a bokeh mode. So here you can see the bokeh mode is there. You can change the exposure by it, and in the bottom you are getting the aperture setting, so you can play with the aperture. So there are very less number of phones which lets you actually to play with the aperture so easily, and also tell you what is the aperture size of your camera while taking the shot. Now there is a beauty mode which definitely again has the AI. It has a 1 2 3 mode where you can change the beautification, and there is a AI camera for rear and the front. It has a SDR mode. You can also change the resolution of the image into 4:3, 1:1, and 16:9. So there are three ratios coming change. So this is all about what we have for Infinix Hot 7 Pro unboxing, and we have done a special gaming review of the device. You can check the gameplay of the device, how the game performs. Now talking about the device, it is priced at 9,999, which is very aggressive. This is the first smartphone coming with the quad camera, and at the same time it has a 6 GB of RAM, 64 GB internal storage. It definitely have some attractive specs. Let us know how you feel about the device. What are your thoughts? This is all about the Infinix Hot 7 Pro. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.